The promising. I was just talking to the guy. You know,
How much is it again?
So many reasons why I wonder for you, my love. Now you want to retire with my love.
hey guys, I'm inside the elevator and I'm going to talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? So I have classes by 9 a.m. I'm already running late. This is 8:46 a.m. So I just have like, let's say, 14 minutes to go before I'll be extremely late for class. I'm going to talk to you guys later, probably after I'm done with lectures. So guys, I'm going to be talking to you guys here because I feel like I like the view. I love the lighting as well. So yeah, let's talk. You guys, my class was supposed to be by 10 a.m. I think I spoke to you guys when I was coming and I was telling you guys that my class is by 9 a.m. Then I got to the class. I went and sat down with some classmates. Hi. So I went and sat down with some people and the guy was just welcoming me. The guy was just welcoming me and then asking me some questions. Are you a new student? I said, yes, I'm a new student. Then I was like, okay. I was just talking to the guy. You're not a new student, right? He said, yes. I said, okay. Then I was like, okay, but this class is a cross-cultural management class, right? He said, no, that it's not cross-cultural management, that the class is actually a law class. I was just kind of shocked, like, am I in the wrong class? I was supposed to be 0603 and that's the class I am. So I was like, am I in the wrong class at that moment? So I started to like check the time that my class was actually supposed to hold, and it was actually by 10, not 9. So yeah, busybody. I was just rushing myself to come to class that I don't want to be late today. Lots of people are looking at me, but who cares? No one. So I was just rushing that I don't want to come to class late today without knowing that I am very, very early to class. So what will I do? I'll just quickly do some revision, okay? But I'm not with my laptop. I think there are lots of people that always come here with their laptop. To be honest, when you go inside the hall, you see lots and lots of people with laptops. It just look like they are actually selling laptops here in the school. But honestly, guys, I think I'm talking too much. I know I'm talking too much. If I don't talk too much for you people, what else will I do? So yeah, let me do the revision of this English. I think we did something regarding English language last time, so I'll quickly do some revision and I'll get to talk to you guys later. The promises. So honestly, yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear me because I don't want to shout. I believe some people are here to wait. I wanted to actually do a school tour for you guys. I don't know if that sounds interesting, but I'm planning to do a school tour for you guys. So I don't really know how close or what the buildings that are located here. I'll try my best to pick out some videos or take some video clips of the popular place in the school and show to you guys. How about that? Do a school tour for you guys and introduce you guys a little bit to my school. Should we do this today? Let's see as the spirit leads. If there is time, I'm going to take you guys around my university and show you guys some things around here. All right? Hey guys. So guys, I just finished taking my lectures. You guys know I'm becoming the mirror girl. I don't know if I'm even standing well. Okay, let me stay this way. I just finished my lectures and overall I'll give it 8/10. Reason being that the lecturer was really communicating with us and the class was interactive. She was asking questions and making the students, like we the students, follow up with what she was telling us, right? So yeah, it was really a fun class. I really wish I can make you guys see my outfit of the day because guys, I'm really loving this. I'm just loving the combination of today's outfits. I wish I knew that I have lots of time. I would have just done a transition of my before and after for today's outfit. But anyways, I might show you guys later on.
Oh na 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 na, yeah. Come here, oh na, yeah. Something running through my mind, I just wanna spit out and no go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Sunday and I'm going to church. Okay, literally I don't know what I'm going to be doing today apart from this church, or probably I might take you guys along with me while I cook. But anyways guys, I don't know if this is going to be a beginning of a new vlog or if it's going to be inserted in my other vlogs. So guys, we just closed from church and I decided to go do some little shopping at the supermarket. I got lots of things. Right now I'm coming back, but it seems very heavy. Postman, do not look close. So it really seems heavy. I'm taking my first break. Not my first, like my first actual break, because the other ones I've just been standing. I'll just drop it and rest my hand for some time. But this time around I decided to like sit down and properly rest. When I get home, I'm just going to do a little unboxing of the things I bought and show it to you guys. Okay, church today was actually amazing. It was pretty amazing. People I was waiting for, they were able to meet up and we got to church around 11:45. I think 11:50. So we're kind of like 20 something minutes late. All right, I'm going to talk to you guys when I get home. So guys, I just got back home. I'll quickly do a little unboxing of the things I got. Like I said earlier on, for you guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of the heavy load I was carrying. So yeah, let me move this back a bit. Yeah, so I got bread. I think I'll have to sit down while I unbox this. Okay, so you guys are not seeing my face. So I got this bread for, how much is it again? What is it? Okay, I got this bread for 0.75 pence. And I got this chopped vegetables, just like salad. Okay, sweet and crunchy salad. I got this for £1.19 pence. Okay, which is like 1,000 plus. So anything I'm saying, any price I'm mentioning here, you guys just multiply it by 1,200 or 1,250, depending on the exchange rate for the day you're watching this video. So this was for 40. Where's the bread again? So white. Oh, this is for 75 pence, and this is for £1.19 pence. Then I got this with spaghetti. Spaghetti, I got it for 0.26. I got 3 of them. So I got this 3 for I got this thing for 0.84. Then I got this family size, family pack pepper. Okay, mixed pepper. It has yellow, red, and green. I got them for £1.45. Okay. I got this dark soy sauce, Chinese dark soy sauce for 0.55. I got rice, 1 kg of rice for this one. This is 1 kg. I put it like this, 1 kg. So I got this one for. I got the rice for. Where's the rice again? Rice. Where's rice? Okay, I got the rice for £1.35. It was supposed to be £1.25. I think that's what I saw it. But I got it for £1.35, and I got 4 plates. Yeah, I got 2 of the rice. Then I got this coriander. Oh, sorry. I got this coriander. It's coriander. Yeah, I got this coriander. Coriander is sold for 0.52. In Chinese, we call it shantai. I think I normally use it then when I was in China to prepare some sauce like stew and all that. So I decided to okay, let me use it today, the longer I use it. So this coriander, I got it for 0.52. I got coconut milk because I would love to prepare coconut rice very soon. So I got the coconut milk for 0.85. 0.85. Then I got sweet corn. I got sweet corn. Where's the sweet corn? I can't find it. Is it my eye? Sweet corn. What's the name of this? Super sweets. Okay. Oh wow. Yes, super sweet corn. I got it for £1.29. 1.29. Then I got this detergent. I'll have to stand up. This is very heavy. This is what actually contributed to the kg size. Wait, let me zoom it back a bit. Okay. Alright, so it's better like this. So this is what actually contributed to the kg size. This is quite heavy. I got this for 3.95, which is like almost 4,000 plus, yeah, in naira. So I got it 3.95. Then here I still have some chopped tomatoes. I got 5 of them. 5 of these chopped tomatoes. I got one tomato for 0.49. So I got 5 of them. 5 of them is 2.45. So 1, 2. So this is my shoe. I have to take it off. So I was able to. I have to take it off to work properly because I can't walk on heels while carrying on the floor. So this is literally the things I bought. I'm going to show you guys the full video. And then this is given to me at the church. This one and this sweet potato. Okay, the church gave it to us today because they normally share things every Sunday to the congregation. So these are literally what I was carrying that was freaking heavy.
Body be like a trailer, we no get to break you. When you begin move, to stop am now wow. Your head they go there to wange, your leg to walk go there hang. Body no dey for argument you, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell 'em, something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no one know. When your body calling, you must answer. It be like say body want something, oh. You must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell 'em, something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no one know. This is not a prayer matter, no matter how you pray. If you know settle body, wahala go there, you need some some romance, some ta-ta-ta, some touching. Anyhow we be, body no. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell 'em, something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no wonder. Scratch it, you must answer. Hey. Body calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no wonder. When body don't charge you must answer. It's not easy to hold body. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no wonder. Your body want to ebonge, you must answer. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no wonder. Hey, body don't hot to you must answer. See fire, you must say yes. Desire. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no wonder. Scratching, you must answer. Body needs scratching, no. Servicing, you must say yes. Just like a motor. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch you, body no wonder.